Have you ever found yourself in a project management nightmare? You know, the kind where emails are flying everywhere, nobody knows who's doing what, and deadlines are a distant memory? It's a frustrating, chaotic, and all too common experience. But what if there was a way to bring order to that chaos? To align teams, track progress, and get things done, all in one place? That's the promise of a work management platform like Asana. It's a tool designed to solve those very problems, and it's become one of the biggest names in the business. But that success raises a big question. Just how many people are actually using Asana? We're not talking about a small niche audience here, we're talking about a global platform. The numbers are big, and they tell an interesting story about the modern workplace. So let's dig into the data, the reports, and the financials to get a real answer. We'll look at Asana's official user counts, break down what those numbers actually mean, and explore the trends that show us how Asana is growing and who is using it. This isn't just about a number. It's about understanding the scale of modern collaboration. First, let's start with the top-line figures. As of their most recent public statements, Asana has over 150,000 paying customers. But that's not the same as users, right? A single customer could be a huge enterprise with thousands of employees. So, the number of individual users is much, much higher. Asana's own website states they have millions of users across more than 200 countries and territories. While they don't provide a precise, up-to-the-minute public user count, this millions figure is a consistent theme in their reports. We also have some more specific data points, such as over 2.5 million weekly active users reported on their customer page. So, when we say millions, we're talking about a substantial, engaged user base. But what do these numbers really tell us? Let's break it down. Asana has a freemium model, meaning a basic version is available for free, which is likely where a significant portion of those millions of users come from. The real financial success and growth story lies in their paying customers. These are the teams and companies that have committed to the platform for serious work management. Within that group of paying customers, we can see some fascinating trends. Asana reports that over 73% of the Fortune 500 are Asana customers. That is a massive statistic. It shows that Asana isn't just for small startups or creative agencies. It's a tool trusted by some of the largest and most complex organizations in the world. Companies like Amazon, T-Mobile, and Roche are all listed as customers, using Asana to manage everything from product launches to capacity planning. This kind of enterprise adoption is a key indicator of a platform's robustness and scalability. Another important metric is the growth of their larger clients. Asana regularly highlights the number of customers spending over a certain threshold, for example, over $5,000 or even over $100,000 annually. The number of customers spending over $5,000 per year is in the tens of thousands and growing, and the number of those spending over $100,000 has also seen strong double-digit growth. This isn't just about attracting new users. It's about proving the value to existing ones, convincing them to expand their use of the platform and invest more heavily in it. This dollar-based net retention is a key metric for SaaS companies, and Asana's is consistently strong, which is a great sign for the company's health and future. So, why are so many people and companies choosing Asana? Well, the platform's core strength is its flexibility. It's built on a proprietary work graph data model that maps out tasks, people, and projects, providing a comprehensive view of how work gets done. It's not just a to-do list, it's a visual representation of your organization's workflow. This means it can be used for a wide variety of use cases. A marketing team can use it for content calendars, a software development team can use it for agile sprints, and an HR team can use it to manage the onboarding of new employees. This adaptability is a huge part of its appeal and a major driver of its user growth. The company has also been heavily investing in new features, particularly around automation and AI. They've introduced things like AI Studio to help teams get more done more efficiently. These new tools are designed to reduce the work about work, the time spent on administrative tasks, emails, and meetings, and help users focus on high-impact projects. This focus on productivity and efficiency resonates deeply with modern knowledge workers, who are often feeling stretched thin and overwhelmed. The data from Asana's own research backs this up, with their reports suggesting that their platform saves customers millions of hours of work per year and boosts productivity significantly. So, to come back to our original question, how many users does Asana have? The short answer is millions. They have a massive user base that spans the globe, from small teams using the free version to some of the world's largest enterprises. The company's continued growth in paying customers and its strong adoption by Fortune 500 companies show that it's a powerful and essential tool for a huge segment of the modern workforce. As work becomes more distributed and complex, the need for a tool that can connect the dots and provide clarity is only going to increase, and Asana is positioned to continue capitalizing on that need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.